okay?
I think so. What was that?
Trap. Avery really didn't want any trespassers down here. All right, watch your step.
Me. You're the one that stepped on it.
Fine. Oh, hell. God damn it!
Are you okay?
So far, so good. Maybe I just stay a little ways back.
Yeah.
Crap! You okay?
Yeah. Well, now we know what caused the explosion we heard earlier.
No wonder so many parts of this passage have caved in.
Hey, Nate. I found a shortcut.
How do you know it's a shortcut?
Trying to be optimistic here.
Jesus.
Avery's decorated this chamber, too.
More human mobiles. Shit. More mummies that go boom. Damn it!
Are you all right?
Yeah, but can't go that way now. Great. Don't explode, okay?
Just careful.
What did I just say? For Christ's sake! Oh, this can't be healthy to breathe. Fine. Fine. I wish I'd brought earplugs. Am I yelling?
Nate, careful.
Yeah. Avery's gone all Egyptian. Except this mummification wasn't, you know, voluntary. Later, get behind something! Well, for once I appreciate Avery's exploding mummies.
Let's go find a keyhole.
Oh boy. Crap. Ah, I'm okay! You gonna explode now? Huh? No? How about you?
This guy had some serious trust issues.
Oh God, oh God, oh God! Okay. You done?
Nice moves.
Thank you.
Oh, God, are those the rest of Two's men?
Yeah, gotta be. We know Avery likes to make an example of his enemies.
He definitely likes making exploding mummies.
Yeah. Let's, tread carefully in here. Keyhole? Key.
Wait, it could be a trap.
We really don't have much of a choice.
Oh, boy.
But I have a good feeling about this one. Huh?
Do it.
You see? Well, at least we didn't get blown to bits. Shit. You didn't bring a knife by any chance, did you?
No. Oh, but that guy's got a sword. Here, help me swing this thing.
Ah, God damn it.
Nate?
Got it!